Hi, my name's Chris Nutman. I'm the founder of Global Teacher, and the journey all started for me really in university. I'm from Sunderland, but I was in Manchester studying design engineering, and in our final year as design engineers, we were tasked with, for our dissertation, we were tasked with choosing a subject area, finding a problem and designing a solution. And I chose to study education in the developing world because I knew really that the standard of education overseas wasn't as great as I'd received, basically. And I thought maybe there's some problems that I could help solve there through design. And I also did a previous topic or unit on appropriate technology, which was all about how we use luxury tech and how we can basically, I don't know, I think we're kind of beyond our needs, whereas appropriate technology is about literally designing for function to serve a purpose, and it's very kind of useful and helpful, and it's often used in the developing world, this theory of appropriate tech, and that really captured me, and I thought, oh, I like to design really for function and that it has a use and it's purposeful. So I chose to study education in the developing world, and found all of these shocking statistics. As you can imagine, 15% of the world's adults are illiterate. One book in Cameroon is shared between 12 children, so lack of resources. So decided to develop our offline learning, offline and off-grid learning kit, and that's what Global Teacher do at the moment. So we 3D print that in Sunderland and we design it. And for me personally, my drivers were, I can trace it all the way back to being a kid on the playground. I remember some of my friends were over in the corner about to stand on an earthworm, and I shouted, "Stop, that's God's creature," and they all kind of laughed and thought I was stupid, and I feel like it is a bit, like, it's not necessarily stupid, but at that time, maybe that's just not what you said as a kid, whereas I thought, well, I was brought up to not particularly religious, but to look after things and to treat other people with respect and to look after other living things, and there was this inherent care for other people that was instilled in me by my family, and in particular my granddad, who was a policeman, very a man of principle as well. He taught me manners, please and thank you, hold the door open for others, and obviously what he was really saying is just look out for others. There is more than you on this world, and that gave me this kind of purposeful or heart-centered approach to life. So when I did design engineering, my goal was always to become an entrepreneur, a social entrepreneur who would create ideas and design concepts to life's challenges. So basically make the world better or make life easier or innovate in a way to help others, to help myself, and to be of service to the world. So that was pretty much in my final year. I had a light bulb moment and thought, you know what, I'm not going to go down this path of just coasting along, cruising along, doing okay, but I'm going to actually commit in life and really try and really go to get a first, and just be disciplined, and that changed my life. That I veered off into a different path, and then after university I started Global Teacher in 2019. And since then I've been on a journey of self-discovery in many ways, and also entrepreneurship, which has been challenging, and it's been in many ways a mirror to my own evolution, but fantastic. And that's pretty much it. So yeah, and super grateful to Impact and the So We Connect for Good competition. It's been amazing so far. I'm really looking to pitch in the live final, so that will be awesome. Thanks.